talking about 4 of the most common digital marketing mistakes that we see with orthodontic practices. Number 1 is no clear target audience. Number 2 is random social media posting without a plan. Number 3 is poor optimization or neglect of your Google business profile. And number 4, a website that does not convert visitors into new patients. So mistake number 1, lacking a clear audience. You really want to understand who are your target patients. Are you primarily focusing on children and teens? Are you more of an adult orthodontic practice? Or is it a well-rounded family practice approach that you're going for? Honing in your message is very important so that you're not just throwing spaghetti at the wall. Mistake number 2, random social posts without a clear plan. Are you talking about products and services? Are you describing treatments? Are you sharing testimonials from your patients? Or are you just sending in pictures of people getting their braces on and people getting their braces off? Try to have a targeted strategy on your socials. Number 3, Google business profiles. You really need to pay close attention to your business information on your Google business profile. I'm talking updated photos. I'm talking recent, timely, relevant, keyword-rich reviews. The hours of operation are now a ranking signal and must match your website. You also want to add an appointment link or a scheduling link if that's relevant to your practice. Really take time to curate your Google business profile for maximum success, not just on Google, but also on AI. Number 4, neglecting your website or having a website that does not convert visitors into new patients. When's the last time you updated your website? Does the marketing, messaging, and copy target today's consumer in a post-COVID AI-driven landscape? All this and more on the Kaleidoscope blog, and if you'd like to meet with me to talk more about your digital presence, schedule a consultation today.